Hello everybody, this is Abhishek and today in this video I'll be going to demonstrate you my another another exercise on database. This is my second exercise and as earlier I have made one more video on database that was basic commands for the database such as creating the tables, how to rename the table, how to drop the table, and also how to use the truncate command. So this video is just the continuation of the previous table only, which I demonstrated in the first video, and I'll be using the same table to furthermore demonstrate the syntax using the same table only. So first of all I'll show you the questions. Basically in this we have the following questions. First of all, uh, today in this we have two the questions that is given as follow, that is the insert the above values into the corresponding table. E- in the last video which I demonstrated, I created somewhat like five tables, 1 2 3 4 5, and now these will insert the values in this table. First of all, we'll insert the customer details, then we'll insert the order details, followed by order line details, product details, suppliers, and after that we will I'll show you the demonstration of further questions. So I already have entered all the values into the tables, and now I'll be showing you the following entered details in the table, starting from over here. In the earlier I have mentioned the different sizes, so that was not really acceptable for this values, so it was the error was displayed that too many values. So I altered the previous table, such as the earlier table name was customer, so I altered the customer through the attribute modify customer name and the size, similarly the address size and the city size. And I the first value which is supposed to be entered is John, the customer name as John. So over here you can see that I have entered over here such as customer name as John in this line. The second entry is for the Henry. So where you can see that Henry Smith is the Henry Smith has been entered over here, and third entry is for the Richard. Richard has been displayed over here. The entry for the Richard has been displayed over here, and fourth entry is for the Joey, Joey. So it's been entered over here. And after that, coming on to the second table, and after that inserting all the detail for the customer, we select star from the customer 338, that is the customer, that is the table name. And over here you can see first, second, third, and the four details which we have been initialized in the table has been displayed over here. And after that it asks to enter the details of the order, which I have mentioned over here, the details over here the insert the order of the values from the order follows for the 1 2 3 all the October months with the different order IDs and the different dates, and all the order IDs such as 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. All the eight order has been mentioned over here, has been given to us to insert into the table, and the following dates have been also, that is all the different rows has been created over here. And similarly now when we move on the you can when we display it, select star from the order table, that is name of the table is order 338 and is being mentioned over here, that is 8 rows has been selected. Similarly now after this order line is followed, so over here you can see that I have enter the values in the order line also, such as insert into the order line the table name, the values is given as over here 100, 4000, 10 and 1000. Similarly, we have so many values over here, and I have inserted all the values beforehand only. You can see over here all the different values and been entered till 107. 107 over here you can see the values of this and you can see there are so many tables. So now you can check over here. I've displayed it like select star from order line 338, that is the table name, and over here 11 rows has been selected, that like all the values from here to here has been inserted into the following table. Okay, now moving on to the further, such as product ID. So product ID supplier. Mm, So over here you can see that product ID is initially in the blank position, that is there's no values inside the table. So you can see that the following data has been provided us to input inside the table, and these are the data: office desk, manager desk, office chair, manager, cell book, duplex book, table lamp, duplex table lamp, and keyboard. So over here all the for the insert is the attribute which is used to insert the data in any table. So insert into the product values 1000, office desk, manager office. Then after that you can see manager details, bookshelf, duplex table lamp, and duplex table lamp. Everything has been displayed insert in the table. And when we display the table over here for the product ID, that is the table name is product 338, you can see everything has been inserted into the table. And similarly, now moving for the last table, that is suppliers, all the details over here has been inserted over here for the suppliers over here as follows. Now according to the question, we'll move on to the question like insert the values for the corresponding tables which I have inserted. Now second question asks, such as update the postal code of, actually it is John Deere, it is John Deere. And over here you can see that I have over here in, so over here I have inserted the postal order for John Deere. Earlier it was somewhat according to the question it was the postal, it was 10059, but according to the question it says to change it to 100 uh, it says to change this to 10032. And over here you can see in the display that update customer 338, that postal code is equal to 1033. I've changed it over here. And when I display the customer table, you can see the customer postal address has been changed to 1032. And now moving to the further question like insert the record and delete order where order ID is 108. So over here you can see that the order has been deleted. Delete order from 338 where the order has been deleted, and simply moving on to the further questions like it display the details like display the details of the product over here. So I've displayed the all the details from the product over here, and after that other question like you sort the display details, like we have to sort the display details whose rating is greater than 4, and over here you can see that I select from the supplier where the rating is, and all the details has been the sorting is done over here. Similarly, sort the order line. The order line has been you can see that order line has been also sorted over here, and after the sorting the table, and the same thing, the command goes same as the for this one, that is you can see select from here where e where according to the descending order. So you can see over here I have done e sorted into the descending order also, and this descending order. And after that I'll show you, this is the spool file where all the commands has been fulfilled according to the questions over here. So that's all for the day. Thank you for watching this video.